How to cancel subscriptions on Namecheap. So from in there, just head over to namecheap.com and then proceed to sign up on your account. So I have in here my actual account and this is my actual dashboard. So what we can do is we can head over and just navigate to the relevant product or service section on this left hand menu. So if you're canceling a domain, you can go to the domain list. If you're canceling hosting list, choose in here this one. If you're canceling a private email, choose in here this one. So as an example, let's choose right here our hosting list. And from in there, it should be able to show you all of your hosting subscriptions that you have so far. Now, if you have a hosting service, you should be able to see there the cancellation option near the validity date or within the account actions. You can just proceed to click on cancel from there and just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. You can also contact the Namecheap support team via the live chat, which is this live chat page, or send an email to billing@namecheap.com in order to get help with your subscription. So that's all there is today. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.